actually going to send to you guys because I videotaped it 3 times. Probably this one if it's good enough. I love you, Taylor. I hope this makes you smile, Kristen. Woo! Wow, that's really bright. It's really pretty. They're like rainbow. They look like gay pride fireworks. They look like gay pride fireworks. I'm excited. What? A forest?
Neil Patrick Harris?
No, I did not say these fireworks look like Neil Patrick Harris. Woo! That'd be weird because they're fireworks. This has never happened before. These fireworks have never happened before. They're so loud. Oh my god.
You don't usually see orange and lime green.
I know. I said they look like gay pride fireworks. That's what I said. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Just kidding. Yeah, these are pretty. These are like original. These are very different. Different from the huge. How bright. I'm officially being a firework designer when I grow up.
Did you ever see like lime
So get
green
excited.
and orange?
No, but I heard on TV the lady said we have 17 colors. I forgot where it was for the ones in Washington. I said they must have found a way to get a lot more.
I feel like my chest is gonna
It's
explode.
not even bad about water tonight because this is something they do really well.
Yeah, this is nice. This is so un-Waterbury. Ow! Listen to the ghetto people screaming swears in front of all the little children. How
And you
Water-
said that on?
Woo!
I'm gonna go say goodbye.
All right.